front of me is Nubia Red Magic Astra gaming tablet, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to find voice recorder app that's already on your tablet and click on it. Then before recording, click on those three dots at the top and select settings from this pop-up. Now you can adjust all of those however you wish, especially if you want to use voice to text. Enable it here if it's not already on, and tap on voice to text language to pick your own. With all of those options managed, you can click on voice to text here to enable or disable it during recording, and use this button to start. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use middle button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to add a photo mark on the farther left, this one with a camera. Click on while using the app, snap your picture, discard it thanks to this X, or add it thanks to this check mark. To finish your recording, hit done on the right. Then name it and tap on save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. Click on it on the list and tap on play button to listen to it. You can tap on view tag here to see all of them, and even add tags now while listening. You can also enable or disable skip silence, pick speed of your recording, and my favorite one, edit that. Click on scissors icon and decide which portion you wanna manage. Then hit trim. Name second version, edited one of your recording, and tap on save. You can also manage it thanks to those three dots at the top right corner, or by holding it on the list and operating all of those, like delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!